Handling an account review on Wise can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Understand the review process. Familiarize yourself with the reasons why Wise may conduct account reviews. Common reasons include compliance checks, suspicious activity, or updates to your personal information. Step 2. Gather required documents. Prepare the necessary documentation that Wise may request. This could include identification, proof of address, or any additional information related to your account activity. Step 3. Log into a Wise account. Access your Wise account through the official website or app. Check for any notifications or messages regarding the account review, as these will provide specific instructions. Step 4. Submit requested information. Follow the prompts to submit any documents or information requested by Wise. Ensure that all submissions are clear, legible, and comply with their guidelines to avoid delays. Step 5. Monitor your account status. After submitting the required information, keep an eye on your account status. You may receive updates via email or through your Wise account. Be patient, as reviews can take some time. In conclusion, by understanding the process and being prepared with the necessary documentation, you can manage your account review on Wise more effectively.